Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we will replace the dead battery in a new style Ford or Lincoln key fob with a fresh one, adding changes to how we handle new batteries. This fob was introduced in 2017 and is a major improvement over two older styles. We will need the mechanical key and a very small screwdriver to use as tools. We'll also need a new CR2450. First, we'll need to retrieve the mechanical key. Look for this button at the top of the front of the fob. Press it and pull the key ring end, and you have the key. There is a cover on the back of the fob that must be removed. Look for this slot in the now open end. Twist the mechanical key in this slot until the cover opens. It is really tight, and it may feel like it will break, but it won't. Once removed, the battery is visible with its markings up, and there is our 2450. There is just this one spot available for the tip of the screwdriver to get beneath the fob. Once in, however, the battery comes away easily. Slip in a new battery beneath the plastic here. Make sure the battery's markings are facing up. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the batteries, but be careful, they can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, wipe the battery down with the cloth. Slip the bottom of the cover into position first and snap the rest back into position. Slip the mechanical key back in. Test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.